What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Consider subscribing to my channel so you can get daily updates. So in today's video, I've gathered this crypto coin and it's called Audius. And Audius is a pretty cool platform I found a few days ago, and it seems like it's going down quite a bit in the last 24 hours, but that's alright. This is a pretty cool project anyways, so I'll still make this video. And here we've got Audius. So this is like SoundCloud but on crypto, and it's actually pretty cool. So you can get rewards for actually publishing music or creating playlists here. And here we go. So this is the coin right here. It's worth $2.89 at the time of this recording. And if you scroll down a bit, you can see that it gained popularity a few months ago, and that was on March, but right now it's gained traction once again, and this time with a little bit more volume, I'd say, and more kick to it, because you can see that it's just in like about 3 or 2 days it just spiked up super high. And this is a pretty known project actually. It's up there, it's on Binance and all of this, and it's actually on this big spike here because of Binance. Basically the same thing that happened to Mobox just happened on Binance here, and so I think that's pretty cool. And you can see if you go down a bit, music streaming platform Audius surges 143% on TikTok integration. So that means that actually Audius has collabed with TikTok here, and so it's also another reason of the spike. So basically it's just this is a big platform. It's becoming about a big platform right here. It's on Binance. It's also collabed with TikTok, one of the biggest apps right now. And basically what else can you ask for? So let's go onto that website right here. This is their website, and it is a pretty cool website built by also other type of artists on Spotify, SoundCloud, anywhere on YouTube. So they've also came up in here and they've helped with this project. Now you can sign up for free. You can learn about the token. This is all on you if you want to go deep a little bit and learn how they started or anything about this. They tell you what's their journey or what's their goals. Can see this is their platform here. So it is SoundCloud but on crypto. It isn't really SoundCloud. It's got its own taste and everything, so we're not gonna say that no more. If you scroll down a bit, we can see that deadmau5 is also here, one of a really big electronic artist on Spotify, YouTube, and all of these platforms. You can search him up right now, and this is the artist with 4 million listeners. He's actually a pretty cool guy. I personally don't listen to him, but he's a pretty cool artists. And we've got a few other artists here that you can check out on Spotify, YouTube, and other platforms, anywhere you want. You can see that they've got the basic features, and they're actually pretty good because you got HQ audio, you got unlimited uploads, dashboards, like whatever you want for your publishing music or creating playlists or favoring music. Whatever you want is here, so that's all good. You can run your own contests, so you can have a song release and you could make a contest where what's the best remix gets rewarded and goes on your front page or anything like that. So that's also really cool that it's including the listeners, not just the artists. And you can see highest audio quality on any free streaming service. So as you know, Spotify is actually pretty hard to get on here, and it's most of the time never free. And for SoundCloud, it's really hard to gain traction because a lot of people are there right now. Like an insane amount of like artists are trying to become the next like big artist, and so it's actually pretty hard to get known there. Now you can find their socials right here: Instagram, Twitter, and Discord. Now you can scroll up and you'll click explore right here, and this will open basically their music streaming platform. So you can sign up and you can start favoriting and creating playlists on this platform. So you can save your songs, whatever you want to listen to, and then you can go to trending playlists. So trending playlist is top playlists, and they get rewarded in audio crypto. So if you get any audio coins, you can actually have good potential with this coin, because this could probably go higher over time and go bullish. Then if you click here, you can see the top 5 playlists each week. So this is only each week, not all time or anything. Each week you've got the top 5 playlists right here from here, and then this is 6, and it goes more and more. Then you can go to underground trending, and here you'll see the top tracks in the past week. In the past week, you can see the top tracks. Number 5 from 1 to 5 gets rewarded in audio coins, and that's really good if you're a small artist and you want to try, you know, getting known more without like creating ads on YouTube or anything. Just go here, it's free, and you can see that there's few favorites here, only 28 favorites, 11 reposts. If you already have like 1,000 followers on your fan base, you could let them know that you're now on here, and you'd actually get boosted almost all the way up. So I recommend this platform. It's a really cool platform, and it has some potential. I mean, getting rewarded for creating music in crypto, like basically you could buy things on Amazon with crypto, you can buy gift cards with crypto, you can buy anything with crypto. Why not also get rewarded in crypto? So you know what I'm saying? So this is a really cool project. I personally like this project, and if you do too, like and subscribe and check these videos on screen right now. That'll be the end of the video. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.